What's up everyone, my name is Jesse and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be working on this slick, good looking 2002 Jaguar X-Type. We got a code P0433, which points out to an issue with the purge valve, so we're going to swap it out and see if that fixes the problem. The purge valve on the X-Type is located near the intake manifold on the right side. First we need to disconnect the electrical connector. Just press on the tab and pull the connector off. Next, underneath the plug, there's a vacuum rubber hose. You can just pull that off. Now we got this plastic hose. Hold down the locking ring and give it a firm but careful pull to disconnect it. Once the hoses are off, slide the purge valve out of the mounting bracket, and that's it! The old valve is out. Now let's install the new purge valve in. Just slide it back into the mounting bracket, reconnect the hoses, and plug the electrical connector back in. With everything reconnected, let's start the Jag and take it for a drive to see if the check engine light stays off. After a 30-minute drive, unfortunately, the P0433 code came back on, so it looks like I have to dig into it to fully fix this issue. But hey, it's just part of the game, part of the process of fixing cars. If y'all found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.